Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I just want to show you a really nice idea if you really want to enhance the look of your door. Usually your door just has a door casing, but in this case here at the very top, there's a little kind of crown molding looking design there. It's actually called a crosshead, and there's different types of styles out there. If you want to check out this awesome product, just check out the links I have down in the description below. I'll also show you where I bought mine from. It's from a company called Ekena Millwork. And so Millwork is basically a type of woodwork or building product that is produced in a mill. This could include doors, moldings, trim, flooring, wall paneling, or even crown molding. So here's a company that I bought my crossheads from. They have different styles as you can see here. So you just pick the style that you would like. Go ahead and take some measurements. And me personally, if my door is say 35 inches wide, where you see the door casing there, I like to go 1 inch longer. So in this case here, I'd go with 36 inches across. So that'll leave me maybe about a ½ an inch on each side of overhang. So you have like a little lip there. It's up to you if you want to do a different design and you want to have it come more flush with the door casing, you can order the exact size. And also make sure you check out the profile of it. So some of these come out very far. They project out further than other ones. Like this one, I believe, comes out like 0.75 inches from the bottom, and almost 2.5 inches at the top there. So I'll show you really quick over here what I'm talking about. Here are the different dimensions that you have to look at. So this one's 7/8 at the very bottom. At the very top, this one's a 1 inch and 1/8, and then the height is 3.5 inches. So those are some of the things you have to look at whenever you're buying your crosshead. So usually the smaller your crosshead is the cheaper it is, and the longer and taller it is the more expensive it is. So as you can see here, some of these go from 24 inches all the way up to like 50 plus inches. And I actually bought 3 of them right over here. I'll lay them out on the floor so you can take a look at them for yourself. And then these are not made out of wood. It's actually a polyurethane plastic material, but it's like as light as foam. So I bought these 3 right over here. These 2 are gonna be going on a bathroom door, and then this one is going on a bedroom door. All right, so I went and took out everything out of the packaging. You can see that this is what it looks like from the top right here. And then this is the bottom part. It's a lot thinner. And then the top is thicker. This is the side profile. And then this is the back. So it looks like it's made of like some kind of foam, but you just put the caulking or constructive adhesive on the back there, and then you can just stick it up. All right, so this is gonna be before. I'm gonna do it after I put all these pieces up, but this is basically what it's gonna look like, something like that, with a ½ inch lip. And I'll do the other rooms here and show you what it looks like afterwards. So this is the first bathroom right over here. And then we'll go to the other area. So I plan on putting one right there in this spot, and putting one right over here in this bathroom over the top of this one. So I'll show you what all 3 of these doors look like when it's all done. So when it comes to installing your crosshead, you have a few options to mount it. You can use some of this Loctite 0-second power grab and put it onto the back of your crosshead, or you can also use some of this caulking here. And this actually has a white finish to it. And this is also used on windows, doors, and moldings and different types of trim. And you can also paint this within 20 minutes of it drying. This you can also paint. I usually just leave it the way it is. It's like kind of a matte finish. But you can use like a high gloss paint and paint over these moldings. And also to finish it off, if you want to make sure it's nice and secure after you glue it with this caulking, you can also secure it with some tape onto the wall on the edges to make sure it's nice and secure. And then you can remove the tape off in about 30 minutes or so. All right, so here's the first piece I'm installing. I already put the caulking around the edge. I like to leave a little bit of a lip on it so that whenever I press down, it doesn't immediately squeeze out on the edges. So I'm gonna also have my tape ready. So once I have it mounted up there, I can go ahead and secure it down and then it'll be ready to dry. All right, so the first one's all done. As you can see here, I've caulked everything up, and I used some tape just to hold the top because the bottom likes to stick just right. And so the trick is to caulk it and then have plenty of paper towels. And I like to use Q-tips to kind of clean up those edges on the side there. As you can see there, I have about a 1/2 inch lip on the left and right side. And that's the first one. All right, so this is the second one, and I'm almost done getting started with the third one, which is right over here. I already have it all caulked up. Have the paper towels ready to wipe off my hands from the caulking, Q-tips ready to wipe off the edges, and I have the tape up there ready to go so I can secure the crosshead that's about to go up here. All right, so this is the third and last crosshead here. I went and put the tape up there to keep it from falling down. Whenever I apply the crosshead up there, I'm actually taking it and putting the bottom first, and then I'm setting it down slowly from bottom to top, just like that, just to make sure that I have everything lined up. And then you press everything down and you'll start to see some of the caulking ooze out, and that's fine. I use the Q-tips for that, and I go ahead and caulk the whole thing. I mean the whole thing from top, side, and bottom. And then I clean it up with some paper towels and Q-tips. So here's what it looks like after everything's all finished. You can see how it really adds a nice little another dimension to this door. And this is the first one I did. I'll turn the camera this way so you can kind of see the different angle. And then I'll get close to it here. So that's what it looks like. And it's amazing what you can do with the Q-tips. Like I said, those hard to reach corners on the edge there, you can easily clean that up with Q-tips and have plenty of paper towels ready. And again, I went around the whole thing from top to bottom and the left and right side there. So that's that first door. We're going to go on to the second and third one. So here's the second door. You can see right over here, this one's all done. And I'll zoom out and turn it this way for you so you can see what it looks like there. Zoom back there and zoom at the top. That is the side profile. And then this is the third one, the last one here. And then I'll zoom back so you can see what it looks like. And I'll turn it to the side. So, hope you enjoyed today's video on these crossheads. Hope all these tips that I gave you helped out somewhat. But if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.